If you're interested in Feng Shui, if you have a practice or you study it, it can be very helpful to train in Qigong as well, not just for the usual health benefits, but also to start to get a tangible understanding of how Qi moves within the body, how the internal and the external environments are reflections and embodiments of each other, and just also to get a wider understanding of the classical wisdom traditions of which Qigong and Feng Shui were both a part. On Saturday the 11th of June, as part of the Feng Shui Society conference in London, I'll be giving a short presentation on Qigong and Feng Shui, a 20-minute Qigong taster session and a short talk. And the following day, on Sunday the 12th, there'll be a full workshop in the Xing Qigong set of 5-element Qigong. So that's an opportunity for you to come and train all day, get much deeper in, or set up a practice if you don't have one already. My name's Terren. I'm a Qigong instructor and Feng Shui consultant, and I would be very happy to see you at one or both of those events.